The Banking Code of Practice sets the standards of service, practice and integrity in Australia's banking industry. The latest 2025 update introduces important new protections for customers. Here's how it's changing. Small businesses are the backbone of our economy, and this code offers greater protections to 10,000 more small businesses across our economy. The new code has broadened the definition of small business, which means that more businesses now have access to these very important safeguards. Things like clearer loan processes and access to help if things get tough.
It is really important and helpful that we're now protected under the code. It means that our contracts are more simplified, the processes are more transparent. The code ensures that the relationship between us as a customer of the bank is more collaborative. It's a fairer ground for us to be standing on, and the expectations are set out a little bit clearer up front.
This version of the code introduces new obligations for banks to meet with guarantors to make sure they understand the risks involved before signing up. Banks will have open conversations explaining everything clearly so that everyone is on the same page. Banks know that sometimes things don't go to plan. Financial difficulty can be stressful and overwhelming.
Anyone can experience hardship across your lifetime. You might lose your job, you might have a family emergency, you might have a natural disaster that affects you. Reach out to your bank, reach out to a financial counsellor, reach out to your support networks, talk about what's going on in your life.
We want you to know that we're here to support you through your financial difficulty, and we're committed to helping you get back on track. Your bank will have several programs and options specifically designed for situations like yours, and many of our customers have found relief through these programs.
It's really important across Australia. There are some consistent standards and expectations that people can have about how they might be treated, but also all of the possible variations of what support they could receive.
This code provides greater clarity on the support that banks offer, including restructuring loan payments, help to access financial counselling, and working to find customers the right solution for them.
Banking is an essential service. Everyone has a relationship with money, and having access to independent interpreters will give people an opportunity to engage with equality, dignity, and respect in a system that is so meaningful for their everyday lives, where they can understand what their rights are, where they can have the ability to make an informed decision, because the message for them will be in language. This is going to change lives for millions of people who access banking services.
This updated Banking Code of Practice is a significant step forward for Australia's banking industry. It's about doing what's right for our customers and ensuring important protections are there for small business owners and people. Together, we're building trust and setting new standards for the future.